Next, as a nation that loves a bit of fake tan, we're always on the lookout for new options. And of course, we were there as Bbold debuted their latest product in their collection, with one reality star jetting in for the celebrations. She's the Towie beauty who's become somewhat of a style icon since joining the cast in 2017. We caught up with Lauren Pope at the launch of Bbold's Xtra Dark Mousse.
Well, Lauren, we meet again and you look absolutely beautiful.
How are you?
Oh God, thanks. But how are you feeling tonight?
Yeah, good, so excited. Like, it's a beautiful venue, amazing products, like amazing people, so super happy.
Do you have the product on you tonight?
Of course, always.
You're as brown as a berry, as they say.
I try. I'm like a fake tan addict, honestly, yeah.
Good. Fabulous. And tell us, how do you keep that figure?
Train really hard. It's so boring. I think people want me to say something super like easy and exciting, but I eat well and I train hard.
What a party. Tell me what's going on here tonight.
Well, we are so excited to be here for the launch of our new product. We've recently just launched our Xtra Dark Mousse and we've got everybody here to celebrate with us, so we're so delighted.
We've had Lauren Pope from the Only Way is Essex, and we're absolutely delighted to have her here as a brand ambassador today.
And Bbold's Xtra Dark Mousse is available now.